Welcome to our roundup of the top 8 best budget 3D printers for 2024. Rock it whether you're a hobbyist just getting started or a seasoned maker looking to upgrade, we've got you covered with the latest and greatest in affordable 3D printing technology. From lightning-fast speeds to user-friendly features, these printers offer incredible value without breaking the bank. Get ready to discover the perfect 3D printer that fits your needs and budget. Let's dive in and find out which one will make your creative dreams a reality. Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer. Kicking off our listed number 8 is the Longer LK5 Pro, a standout in the budget 3D printing category. This printer boasts a large build size of 11.8 by 11.8 by 15.7 inches, making it ideal for tackling larger projects. With its FDM technology and fully open-source motherboard, including the upgraded TMC2209 drivers, it offers excellent print quality and precision. The LK5 Pro is 95% pre-assembled, making setup a breeze, perfect for beginners. Plus, its resume printing feature ensures that your projects can recover from interruptions, so you won't lose progress. Affordable and user-friendly, the Longer LK5 Pro is a great choice for those new to 3D printing or anyone looking for a reliable budget option. Coming in at number 7, the Creality K1 Max sets a new standard for speed and convenience in budget 3D printing. With a maximum speed of 600 mm per second, this printer is designed for rapid, high-quality prints without compromising detail. Its auto-leveling feature ensures a hassle-free setup, while dual cooling fans keep your prints consistent and smooth. The K1 Max also boasts smart AI functionality, enhancing precision and print quality. With a large build size of 11.8 by 11.8 by 11.8 inches, you have ample space for various projects. Out-of-the-box setup means less assembly and more printing. Ideal for enthusiasts seeking speed and reliability, the Creality K1 Max offers impressive performance and ease of use at an attractive price point. At number 6, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M impresses with its high-speed capabilities and advanced features. This 3D printer boasts a maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second, allowing you to complete projects quickly without sacrificing quality. The fully auto-leveling system ensures precise and hassle-free calibration, while the 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder with a 3S detachable nozzle provides flexibility and easy maintenance. The Core XY all-metal structure enhances stability and accuracy, making it ideal for detailed and complex prints. With a build size of 220 by 220 by 220 mm, it offers ample space for various projects. The Adventurer 5M combines speed, precision, and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for both hobbyists and professionals seeking reliable and efficient 3D printing solutions. At number 5, the AnkerMake M5 is a powerhouse in the budget 3D printer category. This printer is upgraded to achieve high speeds of up to 500 mm per second in fast mode, ensuring rapid, high-quality prints. The integrated die-cast aluminum alloy frame provides both strength and stability, enhancing overall print precision. Its intuitive control interface and auto-leveling feature make setup and operation straightforward, even for beginners. The M5 also includes an AI camera for error detection, ensuring that your prints come out perfectly and reducing the likelihood of mistakes. With smooth, detailed output and user-friendly features, the AnkerMake M5 is an excellent choice for those seeking advanced performance and reliability at an affordable price. At number 4, the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 stands out with its impressive resin printing capabilities. This printer features a 6.6-inch 4K LCD monochrome screen that delivers high-resolution, detailed prints with vibrant accuracy. Its upgraded light turbo matrix technology enhances light uniformity, ensuring high-precision results and reducing print errors. The enlarged print volume of 6.49 by 5.62 by 3.5 inches offers ample space for larger or more complex models. Known for its user-friendly interface and reliable performance, the Photon Mono 2 is perfect for hobbyists and professionals who demand superior detail and consistency. Whether you're working on intricate miniatures or functional prototypes, this resin printer provides excellent quality and ease of use at a budget-friendly price. Taking the third spot, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is a standout choice for budget-conscious makers. This FDM 3D printer features auto bed leveling for effortless setup and consistent first layers. Its dual-geared direct extruder ensures reliable filament feed and enhanced print quality, while the dual-lead screw drive system provides smooth and accurate movement for detailed prints. The removable capacitive touchscreen offers a user-friendly interface, making operation straightforward. With a generous build volume of 8.85 by 8.85 by 11 inches, it accommodates a wide range of projects. Combining advanced features with ease of use, the Neptune 3 Pro is ideal for both newcomers and experienced users seeking a reliable, high-performance 3D printer at an affordable price. At number 2, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is a top pick for those seeking speed and simplicity in their 3D printing projects. This upgraded model boasts a rapid printing speed of up to 250 mm per second, allowing for fast production without sacrificing quality. Its auto-leveling feature, along with Smart Z offset technology, ensures precise and hassle-free calibration. The Kobra 2 Neo's easy model removal and straightforward assembly make it a fantastic choice for kids and beginners alike. With a build volume of 8.7 by 8.7 by 9.84 inches, it provides ample space for various print sizes. Combining speed, ease of use, and reliable performance, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo offers exceptional value for those new to 3D printing or looking for a user-friendly, high-speed option. Number 1. The Creality Ender 3v3 Assay sets the bar high for budget-friendly 3D printing. This printer excels with a rapid printing speed of up to 250 mm per second, delivering efficient and detailed results. The CR Touch auto leveling system simplifies setup, ensuring consistent first layers with minimal effort. Its Sprite Direct Extruder enhances filament control for precise printing, while the dual Z-axis supports stable and accurate movements. Auto filament loading adds convenience, reducing interruptions and streamlining the printing process. With a build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, it accommodates a variety of projects. Combining speed, advanced features, and ease of use, the Ender 3v3 Assay offers exceptional performance and value, making it the top choice for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts. That wraps up our list of the top 8 best budget 3D printers for 2024. We hope you found the perfect printer to bring your projects to life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Stay tuned for more updates and happy printing!